Wow, I love seeing that drone footage every single time. And I wanted to break down this brand drone video shoot that I did for a client recently, just in case you were interested in how you can do this for your own clients, or if you're a business, how you can find brand photographers and videographers to do this for you. So yes, I'm a brand photographer, videographer, and I added drone work over the past year. And so I have the DJI Mini Pro 3, and it's been great learning all different drone techniques with this piece of equipment. And this client had a great opportunity for drone work. Many times as a brand photographer and videographer, I might be indoors with someone's studio or their workplace or their shop. So when I get clients that have this outdoor space opportunity, I was so excited to use the drone. Now, this client is a repeat client. I captured her spring tulip harvest, let's say, back last spring, and I used the drone to capture kind of her beds at the time. She had expanded her business. She was up to 10 beds, and she had all the tulips in bloom, and it was a great shoot. This time, she was planting all the tulips in a new space, and I suggested, as her brand photographer, we need that kind of before, content so we can show the after. And she expanded again. So from those 10 beds of tulips, she now has, I believe, 32 beds in a new space in a local vineyard. So we wanted to capture kind of that before content. So we had about 30 minutes of time. We were at the end of the day, we wanted to capture sunset. It ended up being overcast, but we needed to get this done because all the tulips were going to be planted soon, like that weekend. So this was the only opportunity based on scheduling that we could get this done. So I set up the drone. Now I also have been using one of these landing pads, which I can link below too. There's two sides, but these are also helpful. You never know what kind of surface that you're on when you're flying the drone, like landing. So this has been great, having like a great landing pad and not damaging the drone landing it wherever it may be. Here was the scope. We had about 30 minutes of time. We wanted to capture her planting and then the scale of her planting beds on this vineyard. That was the whole goal. And it was really the before to then the after. I'm going back in the spring. I'll capture the after. I will use drone work, but I'm also capturing stills that time. So this little mini package was with the drone work. And then in the spring, we're going to do a little drone and then more images of her harvesting all the tulips. So two things happen. I have all this great drone footage. I also captured photos while I was there, and I've already delivered those. So then she could highlight what's coming in the spring, kind of build that momentum and interest. She can sell, pre-order tulip bundles before the season even begins. This is a great marketing tool for her. I also create a video kind of showing the scale, showing all her effort and work into, planting all these tulips. And then I took that and created a reel so then she could use it on social media. She already has. She got a great response. And I thought it'd be helpful to kind of show you just a small piece of content, 30 minutes of my time with the drone, and how much impact and information a business can convey to their audience about how much work is going into what they're producing for their clients. Okay, so if you love this, you're gonna love the next one. This is a longer format marketing video of, welcome to this business. And it introduces people to the owners who have a home decor store, a candle shop, and then he hand makes amazing furniture. All right, I'll see you there.